YouTube, super excited. The fish came in. We got a fish unboxing video. YouTube, as you can see, I'm excited. Got the package in from Imperial Tropicals. I got it super earlier than what I expected, so let's go. Let's dive right in. Quick fish unboxing. You already know. Christmas. Order some African cichlids. So yeah, it's a pretty big box. Let's go my list. Quick. You already know the card, business card, Imperial. It's not warm at all. It's cold, so let's hurry up. As you can see, they're packaged with none of that insulation. Pretty simple this time around. Let's see. Okay, let's put this to the side. Okay, we can show you these. Two super red bristle nose plecos. Oh man, I love the size, bro. Excuse me, but I only paid 15 bucks a piece, and the size of these guys are humongous. Nice size. I appreciate you guys. Imperial Tropicals hooked it up. No cap, no cap. Super red bristle nose plecos. Right here we have a OB Ali. As you guys can see, these guys are nice 2 to 3 inch. OB Ali, he has beautiful colors. He's a blue, yellow colors on him. Love it, just what I was looking for. Nice size. I ordered 3 of these guys. That's one. Here's another one right here. That's 2. Beautiful colors. I'm excited. I'm glad they came this color. I'm hyped. Let's see. What's this? I ordered 2 Rostratuses. This is one of them. The Rostratus. Can't really see them, but they're live, guys. That's the most important thing. I'm gonna be floating them guys soon. Okay. This is I think this is a albino Taiwan reef. Small little fry. I hope it survives. I got a small little grow out tank, but he's pretty small. I might have to put him to the side. Little Taiwan reef. There goes the other OB Ali. Like I said, I ordered 3 of them. I'm excited. These guys are beautiful colors. They're gonna be beautiful. Blue and yellow markings on them. I love these guys. As you can see, these guys came through. I had to order 3 of them because I wanted to make sure I had males, and it looks like all 3 of those are males. It's always a good thing. Oh my God, no, this is the Taiwan reef. This is tiny. This is the Taiwan reef, and that means this is the, what did I order this, that it looks this color? The blood dragon. Oh my God, this is the blood dragon. This joint is a baby. I can't believe y'all do me dirty like that, Imperial Tropicals, and y'all got mad dragon blood peacocks, and this is the Taiwan. These little babies are gonna have to go somewhere else in a small setup. They're too little. Right here we have a star sapphire, 2 to 3 inch. I'm excited about this guy. Hope it's a male. Then we have another Rostratus. I ordered 2 of these. This is a nice size one right here. Yeah, this guy's a nice size Rostratus right here. And then, last but not least, I ordered a albino sunshine banger breeding group. These are the 3 females right here. 3 females. And last but not least, this is the breeder male. He looks gorgeous. He has beautiful colors on him. I'm excited, y'all. These guys are gonna be a nice breeding project. Hopefully I get this team growing and can supply my fish fams in the future. You already know. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. Tell me what you guys think. We'll get a follow-up update video on the fish, the setups. I got a 40-gallon breeder that they gave me, another one that I'm setting up right now. So that's gonna be for these guys. So I'm super excited. You already know. Love is love always, not sometimes. Like, subscribe, share. Peace. Squad up.